I'm Hannah.
And I'm Karen.
And this is the right way to be sophisticated.
Good day.
Cool story, bro. Tell it again.
It's an interesting tale, old chap.
I didn't like it anyway.
What do you mean? This is excellent tea. Remember.
No.
What is your problem? Are you out of your mind? Have your britches in a twist?
Girl, you need to get your swag under control, cause
you just dirtied my glasses. I just had these cleaned.
girl, you bring the fun out of this, you know.
This is a tea. We're not spitting at people. It's tea.
What is? Oh, what's for dessert?
Creme brulee. Oh, dear me. What was that? You didn't even save it for me. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our channel.